जय संविधान। इसकी हमने रक्षा की है। देश ने मिलकर संविधान की रक्षा की है। फॉर द लास्ट 10 years there has been a systematic attack on the Constitution, on the idea of India. Anybody who resisted the idea of concentration of power, of concentration of wealth, of aggression on the poor, of aggression on Dalits, minorities, tribals, was crushed, violently crushed. Today I want to start my speech by telling my friends in the BJP and the RSS about the ideas that we used, the entire opposition used, to defend the idea of India. So I'd like to start by showing an image of our refuge. Speaker sir, ये चित्र पूरे हिंदुस्तान के दिल में है। पूरा हिंदुस्तान इस चित्र को जानता है, समझता है। The first idea in the image that we defend is the idea of confronting our fear, of never being scared. That idea is represented in this image, which you are not allowing me to show. In fact, Shivji places death 1 inch from his neck. And that is the spirit with which we fought when we were in the opposition. And I'm happy and proud to be in the opposition. Because for us, there is more than power. There is truth. For you, there is only power. That is the only place you want to be. For us, there is truth. And this is a symbol of truth. After that, a new idea emerges. And of course, I cannot show Shivji's picture, but all of you know it. Behind the left shoulder of Shivji is the Trishul. Now, I would like you to understand that there is a reason that the Trishul, a weapon, has been placed behind the left shoulder. The Trishul is not a symbol of violence. It is a symbol of non-violence, and that is why it is placed in a place where Shiva cannot reach it with his right hand. If it was a symbol of violence, it would have been held in his right hand like this. It is a symbol of non-violence. That is why it is placed behind his left shoulder. When we fought the BJP, we were not violent. When we defended the truth, there was not an ounce of violence in us. Now, there is a third idea, and a very powerful idea that emerges from the idea of truth, courage, and non-violence. And that idea, of course, it is a symbol that many of you hate, but that idea is the Abhay Mudra, the symbol of the Congress party. Abhay Mudra is the idea that it is not good enough to just keep this internal. It is not good enough to not be scared. It is not good enough to use non-violence. It is also important that you make others not scared, that you help others become fearless, that you help others become non-violent. There's another thing I noticed, that it is not just one religion that talks about courage. In fact, all our religions talk about courage. मतलब इस्लाम में भी कहा गया है कि डरना नहीं है, और जब इस्लाम में दुआ मांगी जाती है तो दोनों हाथ से, दाएं हाथ से अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देता है। सर, गुरु नानक जी के चित्र में भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा। गुरु नानक जी भी कहते हैं कि डरो मत, डराओ मत। जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज देखिए, उसमें भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा। जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज में भी अभय मुद्रा। डरो मत, डराओ मत। उसके बाद बुद्ध भगवान, अभय मुद्रा। डरो मत, डराओ मत, अहिंसा। मतलब, और अंत में महावीर, डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा। मतलब हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में 3 फाउंडेशनल आइडियाज हैं। शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा दिखाते हैं, अहिंसा की बात करते हैं, त्रिशूल को जमीन में गाड़ देते हैं। और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत नफरत नफरत, असत्य सत्य असत्य। आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं। हिंदू धर्म में साफ लिखा है सत्य के साथ खड़ा होना चाहिए, सत्य से पीछे नहीं हटना चाहिए, सत्य से नहीं डरना चाहिए। अहिंसा हमारा प्रतीक है। अभय मुद्रा, ऐसे कीजिए, ऐसे कीजिए, अभय मुद्रा।
पूरे हिंदू समाज को हिंसक कहना ये गंभीर विषय है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है, बीजेपी पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है, आरएसएस पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है। ये ठेका नहीं है बीजेपी का, सब हिंदू हैं यहाँ पे। आप बात समझिए, ये इसलिए चिल्ला रहे हैं क्योंकि तीर जाके दिल में लगा है, दिल में जाके तीर लगा है, इसलिए ये चिल्ला रहे हैं। देखो चुप हो गए। हिंदू डर नहीं फैला सकता, हिंदू हिंसा नहीं फैला सकता, हिंदू नफरत नहीं फैला सकता। और बीजेपी 24 घंटा नफरत हिंसा नफरत हिंसा नफरत हिंसा, कहां कहां तक इन लोगों ने डर फैला दिया। मैं आपको अयोध्या से शुरू करता हूं। अयोध्या की जनता में, उनके दिल में नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भय डाल दिया। उनकी जमीन ले ली, उनके घर गिरा दिए, और फिर अयोध्या के गरीब लोगों को, किसानों को, मजदूरों को मंदिर के इनॉग्रेशन तक नहीं जाने दिया। मंदिर के इनॉग्रेशन छोड़ो, उसके बाहर भी नहीं जाने दिया। और इसीलिए अयोध्या की जनता ने सही मैसेज भेजा। अरे भाई, अयोध्या की जनता को छोड़ो, ये तो बीजेपी वालों को डराते हैं। जहां भी ये देखते हैं, ये सोचते हैं कि भाई भय कैसे पैदा करें। माइनॉरिटीज को डराते हैं। नहीं, कांग्रेस नहीं डरती आपसे, आप कांग्रेस से डरते हो। हिंसा नफरत माइनॉरिटीज के खिलाफ, मुसलमानों के खिलाफ, सिखों के खिलाफ, क्रिश्चियंस के खिलाफ। और माइनॉरिटीज ने क्या किया? माइनॉरिटीज ने क्या किया? हर स्फीयर में हिंदुस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, नाम रोशन करते हैं। पत्थर जैसे हिंदुस्तान के साथ एक साथ खड़े हैं, देशभक्त हैं। और आपने सारे के सारे माइनॉरिटीज पर आक्रमण किया। जहां भी ये देखते हैं, ये भय डालते हैं। सेना में, युवाओं में, किसानों में, मजदूरों में, महिलाओं में, डिसेबल्ड में भी। और मैं ये भी कह सकता हूं कि सिर्फ बाकी हिंदुस्तान में भी नहीं, मगर अपनी पार्टी में भी भय है। आपकी पार्टी में डर है, भय है, सच्चाई है। देखो अब आप चिल्ला नहीं रहे हो, अब आप शांत हो, अब बिल्कुल शांत हो। When I became LOP, I realized something that I had not realized before. And it's also on the lines of the principles of Shiva. It's on those same lines. And the idea was that after becoming LOP, all my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. I am now actually two people. I'm not one person. I'm a constitutional person, and my job is to be leader of the opposition, to represent all these parties equally. In fact, I don't just represent the Congress party, I represent every single party. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection. So when Hemant Soren ji is in jail or Kejriwal is in jail, it should disturb me, it should hurt me. Yes. Yes. When you unleash your agencies on these political people, it is our job to defend them. Because there is a constitutional person and an individual. And what Shivji is saying is that when you are a constitutional person, the individual should die. The individual's aspirations, the individual's dreams should die. And you should become the voice of the people. When I shook your hand, you stood straight like this and shook my hand. And when Modi ji shook your hand, you bowed down and shook his hand. इस हाउस में स्पीकर से कोई बड़ा नहीं होता. स्पीकर सबसे बड़ा है. हम सबको स्पीकर के सामने झुकना चाहिए. और मैं आपके सामने झुकूंगा और सारा का सारा ऑपोजिशन आपके सामने झुकेगा. ये लोकतंत्र है स्पीकर सर. आप इस हाउस के लीडर हैं. आपको किसी के सामने नहीं झुकना चाहिए. My recommendation to you, if you take it, this country has a government and you are the government. And you are, whether we like it or not, you are the government of India. Elected by the people. And I agree to that. But I would say to you that as individual members, as the cabinet, you do not spread fear in this country. That you do not spread hatred in this country. That you listen to the farmers of this country, you listen to the students of this country. When the opposition says to you, let's have a debate for one day, have it. It's not going to harm anybody. They're going to love you for it. The students of India are going to say, we love the government because they allowed us our voice, they let us speak for one day. So, do not spread hatred. Do not spread violence. Do not be fearful. Even the BJP members here, even the cabinet members, do not be fearful. You have a constitutional position. You are individuals and then you have a constitutional position. Rajnath Singh ji is an individual and he's the Defense Minister of India. And that is the way this country has to be run. And we as the opposition, don't take us as your enemies. We are not your enemies. We are here, we are sincerely here to make your work easier, as long as you follow the basic principles that we have stated. And these principles are Shivji's principles. They are the principles of Shivji. Har Har Mahadev, you can say. To make the government. This is basically what I have explained here today is the concept of Indian leadership in all religions. Respect, affection, ahimsa, and always standing up for the truth. And I'm more than happy, all of us are more than happy to discuss anything you want without being nasty, without being aggressive. Anything you want, we are ready to discuss. So please let us work together to take this country forward. You are the government. We have to accept that. You got 240 seats. So I congratulate you on that. At least accept it. Accept to kar lijiye.
They're not happy. They're not happy.
Not happy.
They're not happy.
Okay, you're not happy. So I would say we want to both work for this country. Work with the spirit of bravery. Work without violence. Work without hatred. Thank you.